students. Today we can find out the water holding capacity of two different types of soil. One is a garden soil, other one is a roadside soil. What is a soil? Soil is the outermost covering of the earth. It contains living and non-living things. It is essential for the growth of the plants and it provides shelter to the animals. Water present in the soil. Soil water is an important ecological factor. Soil water is derived from rain or irrigation. The amount of water retained in the soil after the gravitational flow cease is called the water holding capacity of the soil. See, whenever the rain falls on the soil, a portion of the water is run off. The remaining is gravitational water due to the gravitational force that is percolate downwards to the soil, and a portion is retaining in the soil. That water may be hygroscopic water, capillary water or a combined water. Water present in between the soil particle is called the hygroscopic water, that is essential for the growth of the plant. See, in order to find out the water holding capacity, we need two measuring cylinders, two thistle funnels, two beakers, two filter papers, then a spoon, two different soils, one is a garden soil, other one is a roadside soil, and water along with the two petri dish. See how we can do this experiment. With the help of the weighing balance, weigh 50 grams of roadside soil and 50 grams of garden soil. So, with the help of the weighing balance, weigh 50 grams of garden soil transfer this soil into a petri dish. Mark this as A. Similarly, take 50 grams of roadside soil. Transfer this soil to another petri dish labeled as B. Take one thistle funnel, mark it as A, place it on a measuring cylinder and take one filter paper, fold it in the form of a cone, place it inside the thistle funnel. Take another thistle funnel, mark it as B, place it on the measuring cylinder, take another filter paper, fold it in the form of a cone and place it inside the filter paper. Then gently transfer the air soil into the thistle funnel that is marked as A. Similarly, the B petri dish soil transfer gently to the thistle funnel labeled as BA. Then take out 50 ml of water in a beaker and pour gently on the soil. Record the volume of filtered out water in the measuring cylinder when the dripping of water stops from the thistle funnel. So, the weight of the soil is calculated as X, volume of water poured as Y, water collected in this measuring cylinder is considered as weight of the soil is considered as X, volume of the water poured into the thistle funnel is considered as Y, water collected in the filtered out water collected in the measuring cylinder is considered as Z. So, water retained in the soil is equal to y minus z. Then we can find out the water holding capacity. The percentage of the water holding capacity is equal to y minus z upon x into 100.